Here's 5 actionable ways to reduce neck symptoms. 1. Raise your phone to eye level. Every time you scroll, lift your phone. Keep your head neutral so your spine isn't holding extra weight. Number 2. Take posture breaks every 20 to 30 minutes. Stand, stretch, or gently roll your shoulders. Even 30 seconds of movement reduces pressure on your disc. Number 3. Stretch your neck and your upper back. Try these simple moves. Chin tucks. Gently pull your chin back, creating a double chin. Hold 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. Upper back extensions. Clasp hands together behind your head and gently arch your upper back. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 5 to 10 times. Number 4. Strengthen key muscles. Strong upper back and core muscles support your neck. Here's how to do shoulder blade squeezes. Pull your shoulder blades together, 10 to 15 reps. And planks help too. Planks help to strengthen your core to reduce forward slouching. Number 5. Hydrate more often. Your discs are mostly water, so staying hydrated keeps them cushioned and reduces stiffness. Most people don't realize how often they tilt forward, so check your posture. I just stumbled upon this information, and I have had a tight shoulder muscle for years. Just applying these simple techniques has helped me tremendously. No more tight muscle, and I'm so happy for the information I found.